Good morning, Ward 8. My name is David Jones. I am the Community Engagement Supervisor with the District Department of Transportation. We're here today to discuss and inform you on some safety improvement projects happening in Ward 8 on Alabama Avenue, Martin Luther King, Stanton Road, I-295. Come out and learn about some safety improvement projects happening and impacting our ward right here in Ward 8.
DDOT is hosting a traffic safety meeting here at the ARC, and we are showcasing all of our important safety projects across the ward. We have DDOT staff from all across the agency, several of whom are planning important safety projects, and we want residents to be able to directly connect with the staff that are doing that work, and we want our staff to be able to hear directly from the residents as well. At DDOT, we take transportation safety incredibly seriously, and so we are working across all 8 wards of the district to ensure that whether you're driving, whether you're riding a bicycle, or whether you're walking, that you know how important we take your safety. And so that's why we're here, and that's why we are planning some very important safety projects across the district.
Seeing what DDOT is doing, having it all laying out, whether it's on a monitor, whether it's on a full poster board, I just think it's important to the extent DDOT can continue to do it and engage in the communities, not just in this, but on specific projects. I think it's just something that'll just work even better.